Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today, first alert weather day, we're tracking storms that will continue to develop and moving into our area after around 4 p.m. today. Here's a look. By 3 o'clock, we overall look pretty dry. I'd say it's around 4 p.m. that these storms begin to fire off and are a little bit more organized around 5. We could see a stray storm or two, though, try to develop ahead of this line, maybe, and those would likely be severe, and those could also have an increased tornado risk. So we'll continue to watch maybe some of these cells closely that try to fire off, but really along that line of storms, damaging winds, large hail, and a spin-up tornado possible. This is 7 p.m. Then by around 10, mostly south of I-44, and I'd say the severe threat wraps up around midnight tonight. Tomorrow, some more rain possible after sunrise. We'll see some showers, some storms in the morning through around lunch, and then maybe a few trying to hang around into the mid-afternoon and a few in the evening in northern Arkansas. So a lot of rain to talk about over the next several days, and we have a severe risk today and tomorrow and on Thursday. Today, severe risk level 3, enhanced risk in orange, level 2 slight risk in yellow. The greatest risk is just off to our north in that red area where there's a level 4 moderate risk in parts of central and northern Missouri. Now on Wednesday, the risk shifts from I-44 into the south with the greatest level 3 enhanced risk in south central Missouri and northern Arkansas. Now, tornado risks, it's there today. I don't think that is what we'll see the highest frequency of, though. We'll likely see some strong damaging winds around 60 to 70 miles an hour and hail at least quarter size, potentially upwards of around golf ball size to maybe hen egg size. So some large hail possible today. You'll notice, though, even before storms arrive, we are very breezy. Winds begin to die down overnight tonight, and daily rain chances continue through the weekend.